The Window Depot is a building materials supplier that specializes in windows, doors, cabinets, and so much more, where we service the regular retail customer and the pro customer, where everybody benefits from our offering. At the Window Depot, our motto is best price, biggest inventory, and of course providing exceptional customer service, and that's where we bring value above our competitors.
When you come in, you're actually going to get a window expert, somebody that we've trained and we've spent a lot of time with, and many of them that have been in the window business for other companies for quite a few years. Also our cabinet designers, all very well trained and come to us with a lot of experience. We want to give the folks a chance to walk in and feel confident with the person that they're dealing with. Didn't work in the plumbing department today and now he's a window salesperson. We understand what the big boxes go through. That's why we spend a lot of time training our people.
When you're on a budget, our stock cabinets are a really good option. They are plywood boxes, soft close hinges and drawer glides, dovetail drawer boxes, so they're not the cheapest cabinet available. They're not particle board, which is definitely an upgrade. We have a special buy quartz program that unfortunately sells out really fast, but it's a great option if it's available when you're ready to purchase. We have sinks that are very affordable and, knobs. We have like a pro pack of knobs. So it's definitely easy to do an affordable kitchen on a budget.
That's what we're here for. We have designers that'll walk you through the process and show you the different style cabinets and a variety of colors. I'm always amazed at the different colors that people end up with their kitchens. Some kitchens are two-tone. I've seen white and blue cabinets all in the same kitchen. But our designers can help you through that and show you what it'll look like and what it'll look like in your home, which makes us a little bit different from most companies, because a lot of companies will specialize only in one product. We give you a choice, and you have the opportunity to buy a lot of the different brands because we deal with all the brands. No different than our door program. We've got some very basic low price doors, but then you can go all the way into higher end door that you can find. We can get you here at the Window Depot. We do that with windows all the time also. Folks come in, they might want a window that slides up and down or sideways, and we can actually show them the product and what it would look like. So it gives them the opportunity to judge what they want to buy right then and there.
WindowDepot.com is a place for our in-house accounts, and our regular customers can go online and shop for everything you need, specific by location. So every store's inventory is a little bit unique, and with our online capability, you can find specifically what you're looking for per store. Now, the Window Depot has 7 locations in Arizona, our newest one being our Chandler, Arizona location. Please come down and visit it today.